KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio visual and control systems.
Hi, this is Jonathan, National Training Manager at KeyDigital. We're very excited for the upcoming CEDIA show, September 6th, 7th, and 8th in beautiful San Diego. We're hoping you'll join us at the show, booth 3229, and on day number 1, Thursday the 6th of September at 3 p.m., we have an exclusive training for how to connect, configure, control everything you need for our video over IP Enterprise AV IP922 system. So again, that's day 1, Thursday, September 6th at 3 p.m. Also, come by the booth 3229. You're going to see Enterprise AV in action. You're going to have the opportunity to learn a quick overview of our new drag and drop programming method. It may be all you even need to build compass control iPads in the style of our new demos that you could get online. And we're just so excited to have you and show you all of our new technologies in CEDIA, San Diego, September 6th, 7th, 8th at booth 3229. Looking forward to seeing you there.